Oh, here we go. You can see they've put aerosols above the thunderheads. A nice little blanket up there at the top. And we've got all this, whatever you call it. This is all their stuff above the rain clouds. So all microwaved. As the west continues to dry out, they're going to have power outages because the reservoirs are going dry. Well, there you go. It's all being aerosoled. What they do, I can't believe it continues on. And people not saying anything. Weather people, it's all aerosols. All this, so anyways, all the skinny aerosols being spread by the planes. I did give a brochure to a guy working next door, so he's on to it. Older guy. Yeah, everybody's wondering what's going on with the rain. We live next to the largest body of water on the whole planet. No rain. All right. Critter out.